Friday, 5:58 p.m.
Kevin, Jackie, John, how you guys doing? Just give me a call, see how things are going. Kevin, I guess Jake's coming to town this weekend. I hope you guys have a good time. I'd love to get together with you, but I am going, as you know, to Fargo. And I'll be back on Sunday. If anything goes on Sunday, please let me know. Just give me a call on my cell phone and leave me a message, because I like to see Jake and I like to see you. So, again, hope everything's going well. I'm still thinking about you. Give me a call when you get an opportunity. Bye.